Oh hey, just working on my router here. Got big news in Hagerland. I bought a laptop and got some real ass editing software. So this is gonna be the last video edited on my iPhone. After this one, the quality should be getting a lot better because I'll be doing it on a computer with the good software. So once I reset the router here, I'm going to show you some rigid toolbox mounts that we put on McNasty and some rear pod lights. So that's the reset button there. Damn thing won't reset. I think we got it. Alright, next mission is to install this rigid toolbox. I had it installed before using little turnbuckles like this, and then it would hook into the little bars on the bed. But I didn't really like that setup. Taking it in and out when you're cleaning the machine's a pain in the ass. So this will be a lot easier, a lot quicker. I got these rigid toolbox mounts from Child's Play Fab. So I'm going to install these and install the box. There it is, all installed. It's in there really tight. That's what I like. You can still open it most of the way. And then there's room for the cooler to sit here. What's going on? I got a few minutes before work, so I'm gonna show you guys the next little project I got going on my 2020 Pro XP. It's gonna be some little LED pod lights for the rear, and I'm gonna do a roll cage mount like this. So it's probably gonna be something along these lines. So over the next few days, I'm gonna work on installing these. I gotta finish making the harness and rip the dash apart and all that fun shit and start putting that in. Alright, got the dash all apart. Next, I gotta finish the harness. I bought this Amazon harness that comes with a relay, the fused lead, and then it has this lead for the switch, and then this one here that splits off to two for both sides. So I've got to make both of these longer and then run them through the tubes of the roll bar. Alright, time to go to work. I will be continuing this tomorrow. See you then. What's up? Back out here working on the rear pod lights again for a little bit before I head to work. Gonna continue working on that harness and probably mount the pods on the roll cage. See if I can find a spot I like. Alright, after dicking around with this for 30 minutes, I got the passenger side mocked up. I think we're gonna go with this setup. On the other side, obviously, I gotta relocate my fire extinguisher first. No big deal, but yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Got them both mounted up. Well, not mounted, just mocked up. See how I like it. And I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. Still gotta do all the wiring. I got none of that done today yet, but. All right, now that I got those where I want them, I'm gonna work on the wiring for a few minutes before I head to work. Was it a good idea to tear it all apart during the week when I'm supposed to be bringing the machine to Dudes this weekend? Probably not, but I'm an idiot, so see if I can get it back together. All right, day 3 of half-hour sessions working on these damn rear lights. Got the harness all done. Gonna start installing this, and then gotta run these leads through the roll bar. All right, I got everything ran. I got the lights mounted like here and here. I still gotta tidy up the wires and put everything back together. As you can see, I got shit everywhere, but got my switch and they work. You see me? What's up? All right, got the rear lights done, half hour at a time. Was able to get it finished before the weekend because we're supposed to go to Dudes. Haven't got to test them at night yet. Hopefully this weekend we can do that a little bit, see how far they shine. I'm a little concerned with the angle, which I'll show you here. So that's pointed all the way down. I'm hoping that's down far enough. But we'll see. We'll test them out this weekend. See what it looks like. Because realistically, if I gotta turn those on, one of us is up shit's creek. So we'll see. All right, we're closing out the rear pod light project. They're bright, as you might see by my eyes. I mean, nothing special, but it does the job. Maybe I won't run into a tree or whatever when I get stuck.